हरि ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः हरि ओम गणानां त्वा गणपतिं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमम् ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणस्पत आनश्चिन्वन् उदिभिः सीदसादनम् ओम श्रीमन्महागणाधिपतये नमः मंगल भवने अमंगल हारी प्रभु सदशरथ अजिर विहारी दीन दयाल विरद संभारी अरहनाथ मम संकट भारी. Namaste. The Hindu Society of Northeast Florida is welcoming you all for the annual Ganesh Chaturthi celebrations, which will be celebrated on August 26th, Tuesday. As usual, on Ganesh Chaturthi day in the morning, we will be celebrating with Maha Ganapati Havan followed by Abhishek. In the evening, Sarva Darshan starts at 6:30 with the Harati, 7:30 and 8:30. Earlier we will be having the Young Generation Puja 5:30 to 6:50. On the same day, we are going to do the Ganesha Sthapana in between 6 and 6:30 and followed by Harati at 7 o'clock at Multi-Purpose Hall. The other 3 days, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, there will be pujas for Ganesha and cultural programs in the evening. On Saturday, we are going to conduct Ganapati Atharva Sirsha Sahasravrati, 1000 times of Ganesh Atharva Sirsha, followed by cultural program and Grand Nimajjanotsav is planned. Please mark your calendars. Let us celebrate our Jacksonville Hindu Society of Northeast Florida, our one and only Ganesha celebrations for 2025. We are looking forward to see you all. Thank you. Hari Om.